Hey all, welcome to my channel. So today we will talk about Jenkins. In this video, we will specifically talk about how to install Jenkins. So as you can see in my screen, this is the documentation from the Jenkins website only. And this is what we are going to do. So we are going to install Jenkins and we are going to discuss more on the manage Jenkins, how to install plugin and how to create new items, how we can run our pipeline and so those stuff we will be talking in this series. So today, quickly, I'm going to share you the first steps, how you have to install Jenkins. And let me just give you a quick introduction. So Jenkins is a open source automation server used for continuous integration and continuous delivery. So for your queue automation, we can use it to run our pipeline now, what prerequisite we required? So you should have JDK 17 or 21. So in 2025, the latest Jenkins version that requires 17 and 21. So ensure that you have that. So if you have 8 or 10, 11, that will not work. So you just need to go to the Oracle website and download either uh, a Java 17 or 21. And now, once you have all the installation done, you now need to go to Jenkins website, and here you can simply Google download Jenkins for Windows. So since my current system is Windows, so hence I'm installing it for Windows. For other OS, you need to follow these steps as per given in this documentation. Now, if you see for Docker Kubernetes, we have all the packages. So you need to click on Windows and then install this MSI file, right? And you need to now double click on it. You will get the screen. Click on next, and whatever folder you want to install, give that. Click next, and here select Run Services Local System. Click next. Here you can give port 8080. I am recommending that. So right now I'm getting error because I have already installed it in 8080. So you just need to give right 8080 port and then click on test port and then click next. So finally it will get installed in your system, and once it is installed, just check for services like this. You need to click on that and ensure that you are having this Jenkins service running. If not, right click on start. Once you are done with that, you should navigate to localhost 8080. So you just need to copy this link here and you will have the screen like this. Initially, you need to put your default username and password. I have kept admin for timing. Click on sign in. You will be you will be populated with this screen, and now here we need to do the configuration. So you can go to manage Jenkins and see what plugins we have. So there are various things which we can discuss in the next videos on what plugins we need to install, what system configuration needs to be done. If you see, there are a lot of things needs to be done, but in this video we will only talk about installation. So I will add all those things whatever I told step by step, like how you need to install first Java JDK, which version, and we talked about operating system, and then we discuss about the website, and then we install the MSI file, and then after installing we have logged into Jenkins, and this is how the screen looks like. So that's pretty much for this video. In the next video we will discuss about configuration, installing the plugins and other stuff. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and keep following me and keep subscribing to my channel. Thank you.